Hello, my name is Maria and I am a play designer at Micul Haos. Now I'm going to show you how to do a basic setup for your sewing machine. You probably have a different sewing machine than the one I'm showing you on, but I'm going to do a basic stitch, so any machine should be able to do this. First, I'm going to set up the thread. We have the big thread and the small one. Now I'm going to show you where the big thread goes. So I'll put the thread on the thread holder. Here we have the guides for the thread. Around the second one. And this is also the second one. The third. Fourth underneath. And then the take-up lever. I'm gonna move the hand wheel so that it's on top, so I can easily do this. Then right through here, and there's another guide right near the needle, and then I have to take the thread and put it through the needle from the front to the back. And then guide it through the back. Now for the second one, I'm gonna open the compartment here and find the bobbin compartment that is here. And here we take out the bobbin case and we put the bobbin inside. I take the thread, just a little bit longer, and then find the little guide here and take it through it. Like this, and then through here, just behind this little leg here. And then I put it inside, making sure that it clicks. Now I have to make the thread underneath come up. So for this, I'm gonna use the hand wheel and guide my needle down and then just pull this thread and it came up. So I have both threads here. I'm gonna place them in the back like this. And now I've closed the bobbin compartment and I'm ready to sew. The main advantage of using a sewing machine is that you go faster. However, it's less precise if you don't know how to use it, but with time you're gonna learn how to control it. To sew with the sewing machine, I'm gonna make sure that when the needle comes down, it's gonna be right on top of my line. I'm gonna make sure that the thread is in the back and close this. Now I can start sewing. First, I can do some small steps. I want to close this and go backwards and then right in front. For the curve, you want to go slower so that you can control it more. I want to lift this lever and move the material so that I can get the curve that I want. I can control it more if I have the needle down. By doing this, you don't have to make a knot. The machine does a step backwards and a step forward, and this way it doesn't come off. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about me and my process, you can find a link to my Domestika course in the description below.